Hey tech lovers, buckle up because today's tech news is all about the Apple-tastic world of shiny gadgets and jaw-dropping investments. First off, Apple is reportedly chatting up OpenAI about a sweet investment move. Yup, the very OpenAI that brought us ChatGPT, the AI text-spewing, code-writing, kinda creepy but also cool chatbot. According to the Wall Street Journal, Apple wants a slice of that AI pie, hinting at OpenAI's towering valuation rocketing past the $100 billion mark. Just a day prior, Thrive Capital jumped on this bandwagon too, rumored to be splashing over $1 billion. Even the tech titans over at NVIDIA, who apparently don't get enough press about their GPUs, are in talks about this investment round. And where's Microsoft in all this? They're reportedly gearing up to shower more money on their beloved AI bet, after investing a casual $13 billion already. While everyone's playing it cool about who's dishing out what, Apple stock is basking in glory, up 2.1% at $231.20. Switching gears, let's talk about the imminent Apple event on September 9th. Word on the tech street is that Apple's cranked their iPhone 16 production up by over 10%. That's right, they've told suppliers to get ready for up to 90 million units, all for the love and anticipation of the AI enhancements juicy enough to garner major consumer flair. These nifty iPhones aren't just ordinary gadgets, they're promising a new era of Apple intelligence. Expect your phone to finally understand your cryptic texts and search for memes like a pro. Now let's peel another layer of this Apple competition. Despite a bumper crop of orders signaling confidence, Apple faces a fierce showdown with Huawei over in China. That's right, the same land of the Great Wall and even greater tech rivalry. With China cornering 17% of Apple's revenue, the stakes are high, and no one's shouting, hooray, just yet. And oh, there's that little matter of geopolitical squabbles, because clearly producing innovative tech isn't challenging enough. Rounding off today's Apple spree is a juicy tidbit from Wall Street legend Warren Buffett. The Oracle of Omaha's Berkshire Hathaway has significantly slashed its Apple shares, trimming them down to 400 million shares from the previous 905 million. Rumors floated that Buffett might be betting on a political showdown between VP Kamala Harris and the Orange One, Donald Trump. But it's probably nothing but a question of taxes. Yep, Buffett's likely just tightening his money belt, anticipating America's rising corporate tax rates. Even Wall Street wizards need a hedge sometimes. Before we close this Apple cart, let's get back to those September iPhone releases. With the AI push, analysts like Daniel Ives are betting big, claiming this could be Apple's grandest upgrade cycle yet. Imagine a world where 25% of us are glued to our iPhones, chanting, AI, take my money. And if you're an Apple stockholder, huzzah, your shares dipped and rebounded, rocking around 22% up year to date. All right, techies, that's a wrap on your daily Apple crunch. Keep those eyes peeled and wallets ready, because Cupertino has exciting times ahead. Thanks for watching to the end. Remember, this is just one story from our full daily show, which includes all the other news and an analysis of the day's tech market activity. If you found this video interesting or insightful, then please like, subscribe, and share it with others. Your support is greatly appreciated. Catch you later.